Attendre.
means to wait. In this video, we will learn the verb to wait in the present tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. This is a third group verb, and it follows the same pattern that we have already learned in our earlier lesson. If you have missed that lesson, I request you to check the video once to have better understanding. Let's conjugate it in the present tense using this pattern. I wait.
J'attends.
You wait. Informal way.
Tu attends.
He waits. Masculine.
Il attend.
She waits. Feminine.
Elle attend.
We wait or one waits. Informal way.
On attend.
We wait. Formal way.
Nous attendons.
You wait. Formal way.
Vous attendez.
They wait. Group of males or mixed people.
Ils attendent.
They wait. Group of only females.
Elles attendent.
This French verb is important as it is used to express the action of staying in anticipation for something or someone, indicating a period of expectation. Let's use these conjugations and build some sentences. For now, just concentrate on the verb conjugation. I wait for the bus.
J'attends le bus. J'attends le bus.
You wait for your friend.
Tu attends ton ami. Tu attends ton ami.
He waits for the answer.
Il attend la réponse. Il attend la réponse.
She waits for her sister.
Elle attend sa sœur. Elle attend sa sœur.
We are waiting for the appointment.
On attend le rendez-vous. On attend le rendez-vous.
We wait for dinner.
Nous attendons le dîner. Nous attendons le dîner.
You wait for the train.
Vous attendez le train. Vous attendez le train.
They wait for the end of the movie.
Ils attendent la fin du film. Ils attendent la fin du film.
They wait for the teacher.
Elles attendent le professeur. Elles attendent le professeur.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time. If you are following my videos regularly, you will be aware of this subject pronoun table. I wait.
J'attends.
You wait.
Tu attends.
informal way. He waits,
masculine.
Il attend.
she waits,
Feminine.
Elle attend.
we wait, or one waits, informal way.
On attend.
We wait, formal way.
Nous attendons.
You wait.
Formal way.
Vous attendez.
They wait, group of males or mixed people.
Ils attendent.
They wait, group of only females.
Elles attendent.
Verbs that follow the same pattern are listed here.
We will learn some more verbs in coming videos. Till then, please keep practicing.
Goodbye for now, and see you in next video.
Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button.
Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.